Here's how you remove your cabin air filter. You grab this tray, you pull this tray out. Like that. And there's just 2 pins, 1, 2. And behind the glove box, there's 2 pins right here. 1 on each side. Press the 2 tabs in, and this slides out. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I cleaned this as much as I could. I don't have one on hand to change out. But basically, you get your replacement, and it shows you airflow. Make sure, do you see this flap right here? This flap is facing downwards on the ends, and it just goes over these little grooves. This groove and this groove. So it fits in there. Pretty smooth, and it doesn't, do you see the gap up there? Fits perfect. And down here too, so air doesn't escape through those edges. Slide this back in. So we're gonna order another replacement for this car. I just don't have one on hand. But make sure, yeah, you should probably replace yours. All right, that's in. Now we take this tray. And this tray slides right in. Press it so it clicks. Done. And then put everything back in the glove box. That's how you change the cabin air filter on a 2009 to 2014 Acura TL. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.